everyone, in this video we are going to see about text formatting. Text formatting means describing our text about how to appear on the screen. There are so many text formatting properties are available in MS Word. Let us discuss that one by one. When we start type in a new document, it displays in default font style as Calibri and a font size as 11. We can change it manually by using the various text formatting options. The first one we are going to see is how to change the font style, the font size and the font color. To change it, first go to the home menu. In home menu, there is a drop down box for font styles. First select the text, which text you need to change the font style. You have to select it and select that and go to the font style drop down box. Here various font styles are get listed. Select any one as per your wish. The preview will displayed as side, so it is easy to identify the styles easily and select your favorite. Okay, I am selecting Times New Roman. Times New Roman is a professional font style. I am selecting that. To change the font and to change the font size, in the nearby drop down menu it is available. You can change indicates the any sizes. Yeah, it is side by side in ink. The preview is also available. I am giving 14, and then these two buttons are there. It will increase the font size one by one. When I click that, in here it will get increases the next font size. Here 14, next 16, then 18, 20 here available now. If I one by one I am clicking 16, then 18, then 20, then 21. Like that it will get increases. For lowering it, nearby decrease font size button, you can decreases like that. Or either you can also mention it by typing in the text box, combo box. Yeah. So the next one we are going to see is to how to change the color. Here the font color button with the drop down menu. Here a lots of color palette is available. You can either pick from this first color, or you can select the gradient mixture, or from more colors you can select either colors. You can select it. Okay, I selected black color. Nice. Yeah. Now I am giving the purple color. It was changed. Now we know to change the font style, font size and the font color. The next one we are going to see is style of emphasis. Style of emphasis includes the bold, italics, underline, strike through, superscripts and subscripts. Uh, Here are these options: bold, italic, underlines. These options are available here. First is have the text you need to format and then click bold. Bold will increases the width somewhat, and italics give a slight style to your text. And underlines, underline you can we mostly give for titles. Here I'm giving, yeah, and then I'm going to select it. Selected. Now I'm giving it bold, italics, and underlines. For most of the side headings, we give these styles, and then strike through. Strike through the strike through is given for unneeded texts. Mm, Select. It will give a line like strike outing the text. Then for superscripts, um, superscripts can be given for the numbers such as first, second, third. Then we put that first means one we put, and st will be in the upper level of the one we will give, right? So for that example, I'm giving one first. The s and t go to the upright corner of the one. I'm selecting the s and t and then giving the superscript. Now it goes to the upper right corner of the one. Now, for subscripts, these are mostly used in mathematics equations such as log. I'm giving a log and base as 2. The base 2 have to come bottom bottom right of the log. I'm selecting the 2 alone and giving superscript. Now the 2 has moved into the bottom right. Now it is visible. Yes. So these are the superscripts and subscripts. So overall we have covered the text formatting. That's all about the today tutorial. I will see you tomorrow with a new topic. Bye bye. Thank you.